Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. To fulfill my English assignment, I will explain the geography material about earthquake. Enjoy the video. Earthquake can also be interpreted as an event that vibrates the earth due to the sudden release of energy in the earth, which is marked by breaking of rock layer and the earth crash. The frequency of earthquake in an area refers to the type and size of earthquake experienced over a period of time. Earthquakes are measured using a seismometer, a tool used to measure the strength and weakness of an earthquake. Based on the direction of vibration measure, seismographs are divided in two types, namely, number 1, horizontal seismograph is a type of seismograph that records the strength of an earthquake or earth vibration in a horizontal direction. And number 2, a vertical seismograph is a type of seismograph that record the earth vibration in a vertical direction. The magnitude of the earthquake is based on the amplitude of tectonic wave and recorded by a seismograph using the Richter scale. The large history earthquake has been over 9 on the Richter scale, although there is no limit to its magnitude. The last major earthquake of magnitude 9 or greater was magnitude 9, that was the earthquake in Japan in 2011, and it was the largest Japanese earthquake since record began. Vibration intensity was measured on a modified Mercalli scale. Types of earthquake. The type of earthquake are divided into two, namely based on the cause and depth. The following is an explanation. A. Based on the cause. According to the cause of occurrence, earthquakes are divided into three types, namely, number 1, volcanic earthquake. Volcanic earthquakes are earthquakes caused by volcanic eruption. Example, the earthquake of Mount Bromo, earthquake of Mount Una-Una, earthquake of Mount Krakatau. Number 2, tectonic earthquake. Tectonic earthquakes are earthquakes that occur due to a shift in the earth crust due to the release of energy in the subduction zone. Tectonic earthquakes are quick, powerful. Example, earthquake in Aceh, Bengkulu, and Pangandaran. Number 3, earthquake collapse or crashes. Collapse or collapse earthquake are the earthquake caused by landslides, collapsed cave, and the like. This type of earthquake has only a small impact and the arc is narrow. B. Beset on depth. Beset on depth. On the depth, the types of earthquake are also divided into three, namely, number 1, earthquake in. Deep earthquakes are earthquakes whose epicenter or the epicenter is more than 300 km below the Earth's surface in the Earth crust. Deep earthquakes are generally not very dangerous. Number 2, medium earthquake. Medium earthquakes are earthquakes whose epicenter is between 60 km to 30,000 km. Below the Earth's surface, medium earthquake generally cause minor damage and the vibration are more pronounced. Number 3. Slow earthquake. Slow earthquake are earthquake whose epicenter is less than 30 km from the Earth's surface. This earthquake usually cause great damage. Due to earthquake, the effect of an earthquake include: Number 1. Physical impact. Many buildings were destroyed or collapsed, landslide due to shaking. The loss of life, the ground surface becomes glue, cracked, and the root becomes broken. Thus, due to the embankment, a seabed earthquake can cause tsunami, HC. Number 2. Social impact. Cause poverty, starving, cause disease. If on large scale, can cause a large tsunami. It can paralyze the political and economic system. And how to deal with earthquake? Number 1. When in the house, don't panic and don't run outside. Take cover under the table or bed. Number 2. When outside the room, stay away from. That's all I can explain about the geography material with the title earthquake. It's very useful and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.